Hello everyone, welcome back to Top 10 Questions for NEET and JEE. Myself CNA'S from Bhubaneswar. Right, the first question is 10 ml of a gaseous hydrocarbon. 10 ml of a gaseous hydrocarbon on exploding with 100 ml of oxygen and residual gaseous mixture is cooled. Residual gaseous mixture is cooled to 95 ml, of which 20 ml is absorbed. 20 ml is absorbed by KOH and remaining is absorbed by alkaline pyrogalal. Remaining is absorbed by alkaline pyrogalal. Then find formula of the hydrocarbon. Find the formula of hydrocarbon. So this is the question, all of you. 10 ml of gaseous hydrocarbon on exploding with 100 ml of oxygen and residual gaseous mixture is cooled, which gives 95 ml, out of which 20 ml is absorbed by KOH and remaining is absorbed by alkaline pyrogalal. So KOH can remove carbon dioxide. So 20 ml removed by KOH is because of carbon dioxide. बाकी सारे अल्कलाइन पायरोगेलाल में एब्जॉर्ब हो रहा है. दैट मीन्स इट इज ऑक्सीजन, क्योंकि ऑक्सीजन कैन बी एब्जॉर्ब्ड बाय अल्कलाइन पायरोगेलाल. So this question is basically ionometric question. By using ionometric equation, we can solve this question. Okay. So what is that equation? Allow you listen carefully. CXHY plus X plus Y by 4 moles of O2 gives rise to XCO2 plus Y by 2 H2O. So this is the ionometric equation. CXHY plus X plus Y by 4 O2 gives rise to XCO2 plus Y by 2 H2O. Now, as per this equation, 1 ml of hydrocarbon gives X ml of carbon dioxide. 1 ml hydrocarbon gives X ml of carbon dioxide. Therefore, 10 ml of hydrocarbon can give how much? So that will be 10x. 10x equal to 20. Sir, 20 कैसे? So यहाँ पे बोले थे ना KOH absorbed 20 ml. That means that is the volume of carbon dioxide. So 10x is equal to 20. So x is equal to 2. So first you got x value, that is 2. Now we have to solve y value. Okay. So y value कैसे solve कर लेते हैं? So first, how much oxygen is taken? 100 ml. तो कितना बचा है? 95 ml, क्योंकि after cooling 95 ml of oxygen is there. Out of 95 ml, carbon dioxide 20 ml है. तो volume of O2 left is equal to 95 minus 20, that equal to 75 ml. Volume of O2 left is 95 minus 20, that is 75 ml. And one more thing. So this 75 ml leftover oxygen, 75 ml leftover, that is absorbed by alkaline pyrogalal. So therefore, volume of O2 used is equal to how much? 100 minus 75, that equal to 25 ml. So 100 ml लेने से उसमें से 25 ml ही यूज हो रहा है. ठीक है. नाउ इससे हम बाकी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकता है, y वैल्यू निकाल कर सकता है. कैसे? तो सुनो, एज पर इक्वेशन 1 ml CXHY require x plus y by 4 ml O2. Then 10 ml hydrocarbon require how much oxygen? So 10 into x plus y by 4. This much ml of oxygen is required. That is equal to 25. Then x plus y by 4 is equal to 2.5. X value substitute करो. X value 2, 2 plus y by 4 is equal to 2.5. Then y is equal to, you are getting 2. By solving this, y you are getting 2. So final answer is C2H2. So this is the answer for first question. It's a uriometric based question. Right. Now coming to the second question. Okay, listen. Second question. See, 0.1 mole sodium phosphate is reacted with 0.2 mole of barium chloride. Then find number of moles of barium phosphate formed is, say Ba3PO4 twice. Barium phosphate formed is, मैं यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला दिया हूँ बट क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स में भी आ सकता है. बेरियम फॉस्फेट Ba3PO4 twice. So 0.1 mole sodium phosphate is reacted with 0.2 mole of barium chloride. Then find number of moles of barium phosphate formed. Okay, let we go through the equation first. Na3PO4, 2 moles of Na3PO4 plus 3 moles of barium chloride gives rise to क्या Ba3PO4 twice barium phosphate plus 6 moles of NaCl. So as per this equation, 2 mole Na3PO4 require sodium phosphate require 3 mole barium chloride. So 0.1 mole sodium phosphate require how much of barium chloride? So 0.1 into 3 by 2. So 0.3 by 2, that equal to 0.15 mole. Got it? So 0.15 mole BaCl2 is required. This much is required. But कितना दिया बेटा? यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में 0.2 मोल दिया. 0.15 mole required, but given is 0.2 mole. So therefore BaCl2 is excess. Therefore limiting reagent कौन है? Sodium phosphate. So I think you understand, it's the question based on limiting reagent. So यहाँ पे sodium phosphate is the limiting reagent. Now we have to solve the question with respect to limiting reagent. So what we do now? 2 mole sodium phosphate gives 2 mole sodium phosphate gives 1 mole barium phosphate. So 0.1 mole sodium phosphate can give how much? So 0.1 by 2, that equal to 0.05. So understand, 2 mole Na3PO4 gives 1 mole of barium phosphate. Then 0.1 mole gives how much? 0.1 by 2, that is 0.05 mole. So this is the answer, 0.05 mole of barium phosphate. Understand? This is our second question. Now coming to the third question. Right. The third question is find the mole fraction. Find the mole fraction of solute of 3 molal. Find the mole fraction of solute of 3 molal. Molality, small m, molality. 3 molal aqueous solution. 3 molal aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide. Now, how you can solve this question? Mole fraction पूछ रहा है solute का और molality दिया है 3. So 3 molal, इसका actual meaning क्या है? 3 moles of solute present in aqueous solution है ना बेटा, तो 1000 grams of water लेना पड़ेगा as this is the solvent. समझ गया? 3 moles of solute present in 1000 grams of solvent. Solvent is water here. So you got number of moles of solute as 3 already given in the question. 3 मोलाल दिया है तो 3 moles ले रहे हैं. Number of moles of solvent कैसे है? Weight by molecular weight. So 1000 by 18, that is 55.5. So mole fraction of solute is equal to, what is the formula of mole fraction? Number of moles of solute by number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent. So how much you are getting? 3 by 3 plus 55.5. So that's about 3 by 58.5. So simplify it to get a accurate answer, right? So this is our third question, right? Next, coming to our fourth question. See, the fourth question is if formula mass of potash alum, if formula mass of potash alum is m, if formula mass of potash alum is m, then its equivalent mass will be, right, how much? So if formula mass of potash alum is capital M, then its equivalent mass will be. So how you calculate? First potash alum formula देखो, K2SO4 Al2SO4 whole thrice dot 24H2O. So this is potash alum. So beta, it's a double salt, double sulfate. Actually, it is used as water purifier because when it is dissolved in water, it gives acidic solution due to cationic hydrolysis. See, that's another point, right? So यहाँ पे equivalent weight कैसे calculate कर सकते हैं? So equivalent weight is equal to क्या बेटा? Formula weight by total charge on cation और total magnitude of charge on anion. So पूरा cations के ऊपर चार्ज लेना है, नहीं है तो पूरा anions के ऊपर जितना चार्ज है उतना लेना है. तो यहाँ पे 2K plus and 2Al plus 3 ions. So total charge, total magnitude of charge is 8. नहीं है तो 4 sulfate ions. यहाँ पे भी total magnitude of charge. So इधर कैटायन के ऊपर, नहीं है तो एनायन के ऊपर लेना है. पूरा लेने का जरूरत, दोनों मिला के मत लीजिएगा. Either charge on cation or some of the charges on cations or anions, right? So m by 8. So in this case, equivalent weight will be m by 8. Okay. Now coming to next question, please. Right. Next question. See, 100 ml of oxygen, 100 ml of oxygen is subjected to 100 ml of oxygen is subjected to silent electric discharge. 100 ml of oxygen is subjected to silent electric discharge. 15% is converted to 15% is converted to ozone. Right? 100 ml of oxygen is subjected to silent electric discharge. 15% is converted to ozone. Find the volume of ozonized oxygen. Find the volume of ozonized oxygen formed after the reaction. See, this is the question. 100 ml oxygen is subjected to silent electric discharge. 15% is converted to ozone. Find the volume of ozonized oxygen formed after the reaction. Ozonized oxygen means a mixture of ozone plus oxygen together called ozonized oxygen. So 3 moles of O2 gives rise to 2 moles of O3. So as per this equation, 3 ml O2 gives how much? 2 ml of oxygen. Sorry, 2 ml of ozone. 3 ml oxygen gives 2 ml of ozone. Then 100 ml, उसमें से 15% कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, तो 100 into 15 by 100, 100 get cancelled. 15 ml of O2 gives how much of ozone? So 15 into 2 by 3, so 30 by 3, that is equal to 10 ml, 10 ml ozone. Therefore, volume of O2, O3, ozone formed, volume of ozone formed is equal to 10 ml, and volume of O2 left, यहाँ पे कुछ सिली मिस्टेक करने का चांसेस है. 99% पीपल क्या सोचते हैं कि 100 ml दिया, 10 ml फॉर्म हो गया, सो 100 माइनस 10, 90 लेते हैं, बट आंसर वो नहीं है. एक्चुअली वॉल्यूम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन यहाँ पे 15% कन्वर्शन दिया है ना, सो 100 ml में 15 ml कन्वर्ट हो गया, तो कितना बचा है? 85 ml बचा है. सो 85 ml ऑक्सीजन बचा है. टोटल ओजोनाइज्ड ऑक्सीजन टोटल कितना होगा? 95 ml. सो सिली मिस्टेक करने से 90 ml आएगा, परफेक्टली करने से 95 ml आएगा. समझ गया? सो 100 ml से सिर्फ 15% इज कन्वर्टेड, सो 15 ml कन्वर्ट हो रहा है. इज इट क्लियर? सो दिस इज आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. राइट, coming to another question, please. Okay, the next question is 100 ml of 0.1 molar H2SO4 is diluted to centimolar solution by adding water. Find the volume of water to be added. Find the volume of water to be added. 100 ml 0.1 molar H2SO4 is diluted to centimolar solution. Find the volume of water to be added. So simple dilution principle you have to use. So kaise? V1 M1 is equal to V2 M2. So 100 into 0.1 is equal to V2 into centimolar matlab 0.01. Decimolar means 0.1. 0.01 is centimolar, 1 by 100. So V2 is equal to how much? 100 into 0.1 by 0.01. So that you are getting 1000 ml. Okay, you are getting 1000 ml. 1000 ml is total volume. So therefore, volume of water to be added. Therefore, volume of water to be added is equal to how much? So 1000 minus initial volume 100. So 900 ml add karna hai. This is the answer. So volume of water to be added is equal to 900 ml. Right? That's it. Coming to the next question, please. Right. So एक इक्वेशन दिया है ऐसा, आइडोमेट्रिक इक्वेशन, आइडोमेट्रिक. Hypo, that is sodium thiosulfate, Na2H2O3, anhydrous hypo, or hypo solution नहीं है तो sodium thiosulfate is treated with iodine. It gives sodium tetrathionate, Na2S4O6 plus 2 moles of NaI. Right, this is the equation. Na2S2O3 plus I2 gives rise to Na2S4O6 plus 2 NaI. Now, if formula mass of Na2S2O3 is m, its equivalent mass will be how much? If formula mass is this much, then what is its equivalent mass? So you just take oxidation number method, just find the oxidation state change. So IPO is converted to sodium tetrathionate. That's what I have taken. So in Na2H2O3, sulfur has oxidation state of +2. And in Na2S4O6, sulfur has oxidation state of +2.5. So increase in oxidation state is 0.5. So reactant side kitna sulfur atoms hai? 2 sulfur atoms are there. So 2 into 0.5, that is equal to 1. So total 1 electron change. Therefore equivalent weight is equal to formula mass by number of electrons involved. So equivalent mass is equal to formula mass by 1. Therefore the answer is M. Right? So this is an important question based in equivalent weight of अगर रिएक्शन में ऐसा दिया जाएगा तो कैसे कर सकता है. You just find the change in number of electrons. ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट चेंज से आपको नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन्वॉल्वड मिल जाता है, उसके अनुसार से यू कैन फाइंड इक्विवेलेंट वेट. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज. राइट, सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन is 100 ml of 0.2 molar H2SO4. 100 ml of 0.2 molar H2SO4 is mixed with 50 ml of 0.1 molar KOH solution. What is the nature of resultant solution? What is the nature of resultant solution and normality of resultant solution? What is the nature of solution and normality of resultant solution? See, यहाँ पे मोलैरिटी दिया है, पहले वो मोलैरिटी को नॉर्मलिटी में कन्वर्ट करना है. So सुनो, for H2SO4 normality is equal to molarity into 2. So 0.2 into 2, that is 0.4. So volume of acid 100 है, normality of acid 0.4, volume of base 50 ml and normality of base is about 0.1. क्योंकि KOH के लिए n factor 1 है, बेसिसिटी सॉरी KOH के लिए एसिडिटी 1 है, H2SO4 के लिए बेसिसिटी 2. सो इसीलिए यहाँ पे मोलैरिटी इंटू 2 किया, यहाँ पे मोलैरिटी इंटू 1, that is equal to 0.1, that directly taken as normality, right? Now, which is stronger now, acid or base? So acid is stronger than base, right? So then normality resultant is equal to कैसे करना है, VA मतलब volume of acid into normality of acid minus VB volume of base into normality of base by VA plus VB volume of acid and volume of base. So 100 into 0.4 minus 50 into 0.1 by 150. So 100 into 0.4 40 minus 5, 40 minus 5 कितना, 35 by 150. So 35 by 150, right? You can write it as 3.5 by 15, right? 3.5 divided by 15. So you can write it as 0.7 by 3. 0.7 by 3. So it can be 0.233. Okay. So resultant solution is acidic and its normality is 0.233, right? So this is another kind of question. Now coming to the next question. Right. See, the next question, how many moles of Ki is required? How many moles of Ki is required to prepare 0.1 mole Nessler's reagent? Nessler's reagent from excess mercury chloride HgCl2. Right, this is the question. How many moles of Ki is required to prepare 0.1 molar Nessler's reagent? Nessler's reagent is a complex K2HgI4. Okay, so let me go through the equation. See, first HgCl2 reacts with 2 moles of Ki and it gives HgI2 plus 2KCl. Again, this HgI2 reacts with another 2 moles of Ki and gives a K2HZI4, right? So total कितना मोल्स लग रहा है? 4 moles. So यही इक्वेशन यूज करके कर सकता है. कैसे? 1 mole Nestlers reagent is formed from 1 mole Nestlers reagent is formed from how much? 4 mole Ki. 1 mole Nestlers reagent is formed from 4 moles of Ki. So therefore, 0.1 mole Nestlers reagent is formed from how much? So 0.1 into 4 by 1. So that equal to 0.4 mole Ki is required. Okay. So the answer is 0.4 moles of Ki. Right. Now coming to the next question. See, I forgot to count the questions. Maybe I think it's a last question. Right. Okay. Anyway, number is the not a matter at all. Whether it is 5 questions, yeah, 10 questions, or 20 questions. Concept is important, and how much helpful for you. That's very important. Okay. So let me go through today's last question. Right. Now, I want to give a simple logical question here. Every 6,000 parts natural water contain every 6,000 parts natural water contain one part heavy water, one part heavy water by weight, one part heavy water by weight. Then find the number of heavy water molecules. Then find the number of heavy water molecules present in 1 ml of water. See, a little bit confusing question, but you can able to do it quite easily, don't worry. So every 6,000 parts of natural water contain 1 part heavy water by weight. Then find the number of heavy water molecules present in 1 ml water. Okay, so simple. See, 6,000 as per the given data, 6,000 grams of water contain how much? 1 gram D2O. D2O matlab heavy water. 6,000 grams of H2O contain 1 gram of D2O. Then what he has given? 1 ml of water. See, here question density of water is 1 gram per ml. I forgot it. So density of water is 1 gram per ml. So 1 ml equal to 1 gram. So 1 gram H2O contains how many grams of D2O? So that will be 1 by 6,000 grams of D2O. Then number of molecules चाहिए तो formula क्या है? Number of molecules के लिए formula number of moles into Avogadro's number. So 1 by 6,000 divided by heavy water का molecular weight 20 into 6 into 10 power 23. So 1 by 6,000 by 20 can be written as 1 by 6,000 into 20 into 6 into 10 power 23. So 1 by 12 into 10 power 4, 6 into 10 power 23. 6 इसमें 2 times 10 power 4 ऊपर जाएगा तो कितना आएगा? तो 1 by 2 into 10 power 19. तो 0.5 into 10 power 19, that can be 5 into 10 power 18 molecules. So फिर से देख लीजिए, it's a quite simple question. 6,000 grams of H2O contain 1 gram of D2O. Then 1 ml दिया है, but density भी दिया है. So 1 ml equal to 1 gram. So 1 gram of water contain how much heavy water? So I found it as 1 by 6,000 grams of D2O. The number of molecules is equal to weight by molecular weight into Avogadro's number. By simplifying this, you are getting 5 into 10 power 18. Okay, so today's questions are over. So again, tomorrow I'll be back with some more interesting and important questions. So not only physical, we can go through organic and inorganic while matlab, like that we do the questions, right? So if you really like this video, and if you feel really this video is worthwhile, So please like it, share it, and please recommend it. Thank you so much.